Hello everyone. In this video we will continue the sales and marketing. Today's topic is the service of marketing. The service is nothing, is just offering a benefits, and it is the activity of offering where the consumer organization offer to the consumer for a sale, and it could be offer with the product also, or it could be as a individual before the sales and after there are two types we can usually found is the pre-sale and the after sale service, okay, in the market in available. So service is technically is different from the product, because of the product is could be object or physical thing, where the service could be a performance or the convenience, we can say, then effort by the organization for the consumer in exchange of the money, okay. But service is try to be build a relationship and value with the consumer, so they can keep using that kind of service from the company or organization or the service provider. The features is of service is very unique and which is very different from the product. The first one is the intangibility. The intangibility means as a product we can see and it can touch the product, what kind of we can feel that, okay. But the intangibility of services, we can't see them, we can't, okay. So when we can't see the product, okay, we can't have a form of the service, we just can experience, we can experience the service or we can feel the service what is there. Inseparable means that inseparability related to when product, okay, when we see the product is consumed, okay, and when it prepared, timing is mostly different. When product can be manufactured in the month of January and consumed in the February and March, but in the service not like that. Service is consumed at the same time when it is produced, okay. That it is the inseparable from the consume and production. And the third point of the feature, heterogeneity. Heterogeneity means there is the difference between the service provider and the service taker, because service involves the people, and where the people are different from each another, okay. So whenever the service is given by someone, so that will be slightly different, okay, because of the people, and the service taker also that different, because they are also people, so service will be slightly different at the time. So that is the heterogeneity of the service. And the next point is the perishability. Perishability is related to the service can be stored, okay. When we talk about the product can be stored and use it later, but service can't be not like that. We have to be, because it's produced at the same time, okay, and consumed at the same time, so it can't be stored. If we store the service, it could be lost, okay. And the next is ownership. The service is non-transferable. Then single one point, service not, because one though we can't own the service, because we owe the experiences, okay. We pay for the benefits of, we can't when we talk about the product, we could be ownership means earlier it was for the manufacturer company, and we when we pay for that, the product become your. But service was like service is a non-transferable, means organization have giving providing a service, we using that, and that is okay, there is no transferable of that. So ownership is not there in the service. When we talk about the service marketing mix, means how, when we as service as a product, how to we market them, okay. Earlier, so we talk about the elements of as a product. When we talk about the marketing of any product, when we require the talk about the 4 point: product, place, promotion and price, okay. But service has more elements in that, because product service is as a product means we selling a service as a product, okay. But it is very difficult to as in the marketing, because if you talk about the goods, okay, or it could be consumer or commercial goods, they poses a uh, different, because they poses a need, okay. Means if you required a car, okay, so means it is your need and you buy the car, right. So that is the poses a needed or want. But service is poses a comfortable and convenience, means if you want a ride for example, because it's feeling inconvenience to go somewhere, that is the, for your convenience, someone is giving a car for some time, okay. right, and giving a service to that is the so different from the product. So when we do the marketing of service, it's slightly different from the product. Okay, and the talk about the place. When we as a product, we know that we have to have a target market and where we have to place our uh, product. But when we talk about service is always a bit expensive if we talk about fairly from the product. Okay, so it is placed different according. Okay, what is the place? If location of urban area and if location of rural area, both services are placing it differently. If you talk about the Uber car in the urban rural area, it could not be find. Okay, but if you talk about the banking services, you can't find in the you find in both areas. So that is how we place it. Okay, so the placing is very important of service those, because it's always related to the expenses where the your market could be afford that set service. Okay, and third one is promotion. It required more promotion rather than product, because the competitor is the services are really tough, because service can be copied. Okay, it's not like the product we can patent, because if you're doing service, you introduce a service, so after 1 week 2 weeks other company will come and uh, providing that kind of service also. So that is required a more effort in marketing and more effort in promotion to build a brand image about the company. And third and last one, for the pricing is very difficult to set in the services, because it very go with the fluctuation with the demand. And suddenly the heterogeneity, the feature of service means heterogeneity, because every staff is paying different kind of service. So the experience by customer, the service the customer get could be slightly different. So to maintain this kind of the pricing will be very challenging part for the services. And next element is people. Right, so when we talk about the marketing of service, we always include our staff and our consumer, because if the people those who are creating a marketing, also the staff we are using as a role model, because they are some company give chances to use that services by the staff, so they can be a modular, they can be a narrator about the company service, and somehow we trying to satisfy more and more consumer in that way, so there could be a become a word of mouth for the company. That next topic, the process. In the process of